fashion's favorite twin flames are thinking pink. Megan Fox joined Machine Gun Kelly at the premiere of his new Hulu documentary, Life in Pink, in New York City Monday, and was rocking a striking new do. In a nod to the doc, and her fiancé, who dyed his hair pink in February, the Jennifer Spotty actress swapped her signature brunette locks for blush-colored waves. The titular hue also factored heavily in both stars' outfits, with MGK, 32, wearing a spiky pink and blue check low crop top with white belted trousers and pearls. Fox, 36, went for an itty-bitty Nancy Dojaka dress, $1,097, in a similar shade of rose, along with matching strappy sandals. And per usual, the pair opted for matching manicures, in pink, of course. Streaming now on Hulu, Life in Pink follows the last few years in the Bloody Valentine hitmaker's life as he navigates stardom, social media critics, fatherhood and more. The doc doesn't shy away from darker moments, either. In one much-discussed scene, MGK recalls the time he just King snapped and attempted suicide during a 2020 phone call with Fox, shortly after the death of his father. He said the harrowing moment made him realize that something's not right, and both Fox and Kelly's 12-year-old daughter, Casey, have helped him kick the drugs for real and make other necessary changes in his life. Megan became like the sun to me, like the one that I revolve around and gives me life and like helps me grow, the rocker said of his lady love, to whom he proposed with a highly symbolic 2-stone engagement ring in January. If you or someone you know is affected by any of the issues raised in this story, call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 800-273-TALK, 8255, or text Crisis Text Line at 741 741.